68 days. Oh, okay.
Did you see this?
Okay, so you know what? Play a little bit of this.
Okay.
This is insane. This is out of control.
I think we did one of his videos before.
Exactly.
But
68 days, this build. It's a Rolls-Royce boat tail for his son. This is a woodworking masterpiece. And the whole thing is captured in a 16-minute video. Imagine 68 days in a 6-minute video. A 16-minute video, sorry. And the thing drives.
Yes.
It's just madness. Like, if you're one of these people, you like to watch a video with progress in it, where you can see progress taking place, this is one of those videos.
So it was out maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. It's got 35 million views.
35 million. Just a cool 35 million. How about the 600,000 thumbs up? I think Mr. Beast got to take note.
Yeah.
He's got to step it up. These guys are pulling some Mr. Beast numbers. Now, granted, it was 68 days. Man, it's just so crazy, the level of detail here. And
yeah, I don't want to spoil it, but
here's the thing. There's been a lot of talk. You brought up earlier, Instagram offering new payment methods, and he's driving it around. And Mo just had Mo just went, what? Yeah, it actually drives. It's all made out of wood. I mean, it's ridiculous. But we were talking about monetization, and a lot of people were talking about TikTok, how TikTok doesn't pay very much with the short views. This is the opposite. The only reason these 68 days are worth it is because the guy knows on YouTube it's going to crush, and it's a 16-minute video. It's going to have ads, and it's going to be worth it. Yeah. And that's what I love about YouTube, the platform, is that, like, this project, I mean, maybe this guy would be into it without the camera being there or the ability to publish it on YouTube. But here he can have a business that can kind of encourage these cool creations. Yep. If he put this on TikTok for a bunch of, 30-second views, he make like $20. Yeah. And he's not gonna be able to do it too many times over the 68 days. So this is one of those videos that makes me appreciate not just him, but the platform enables it.
So this is the real boat tail, just for reference.
Yeah, we talked about this on the show. I mean, it's already such a...
It's a $28 million car.
Such a cool car and a cool shape.
Yeah.
And then he chose to do it out of wood. I wonder what he can sell that for. Is he selling that, or is he keeping it? Because in the past,
I'm pretty sure his kid would want it.
But in the past, he sold some of these.
Yeah. A Lamborghini.
Yeah, it's wild, man. That was 23 million. This one crushed that one in a shorter period of time. Yeah, no, I saw this. This was suggested to me too. So it's doing something, man.
Yeah.